Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to fix the glitch when character AI keeps logging you out. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So simply we need to first go on our settings and we need to tap on our apps option. Once we go through our apps, we need to click on manage apps. Now all you need to do is find character.ai. Now simply all you need to do is click on clear data. This will now delete all your memories and you need to log in once again in your account. So after doing so, we will go back to our home screen and we will click on our character AI app. Now to check in if our problem has been resolved, all we need to do is click on the login button, which will then redirect us to its login interface. When we end up in this kind of page, all we need to do is enter our email address and our password, and as we press the continue button, you are all set with a logged in character AI account. I hope this video was a great help to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.